Hello, demo ko lang yung new module, work schedule, and then yung sa attendance. So, tinanggal ko na yung dating pag-create ng work schedule na per day ang kailangan gawin. And right now, pwede na siyang, say for example, for the whole week, Sunday to Saturday, and isiset na siya either per employee or pwede ring multiple employees. And nakabase na lang yan sa effectivity ng schedule. So ito yung bagong module for work schedule. Para mag-create ng schedule para sa employee, click lang yung create work schedule. Tapos dito sa form, nakita nyo, pwede kayo mag-set ng effective date na moving forward na schedule or pwedeng per week. For example, set tayo ng schedule from March 1 to March 7. Tapos yung number of hours. And then initially, Sunday yung nakatag as rest day. Pero kung gusto mong mag-change ng rest day, tick mo lang yung isa. For example, ang rest day niya ay Monday and Tuesday. So, untick natin yung Sunday. Tapos dito makikita natin na meron tayong shift from, shift to, break start, and break end. Kung gusto nating i-adjust yan, mag-adjust lang tayo dito sa shift from and automatic i-move na niya yung shift to up to break end. So sample ang schedule ay 11 a.m. Nakita natin na nag-move na to shift to yung 8 p.m. because nakabase siya dito sa number of hours work. So ito yung total kasama na ng break. So move natin yung iba. For example, 11 a.m. siya lahat for that for next week. And then ang schedule niya ay may pasok siya ng Sunday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay. So dito sa baba naman, para tayo mamili ng employee, initially nakalista na siya lahat pero pwede nating i-filter by company and then by department. For example, kitchen. Tapos select tayo dito ng say dalawang tao, John Robert saka si Jessica. So click lang create work schedule. And makikita natin, mabe-verify natin yon na nagkaroon na siya ng schedule si Jessica and si John Robert. This time, makikita lang natin, ma-view lang natin siya just to verify yung schedule pero hindi natin siya ma-edit. So, ang magiging way to edit if nagkamali is to just delete yung work schedule and recreate yung schedule for a particular individual. Yan. So, once ma-create na yung schedule, as mentioned, tuloy-tuloy lang yung log-in, log-out dito sa time clock. So, meron din akong ginawa na attendance under timekeeping module. And dito is more on viewing lang. So, select natin yung company, yung department, and then yung date from and date to. So, makikita natin dito yung create natin yung mga absent na nakatag since hindi pa naman siya talaga, wala pang logs. Absent pa yung magiging tagging niya pero actually hindi naman siya absent dyan. Pero as you can see, makikita natin dito yung say for example kay Jessica saka kay John Robert, sinet natin na yung rest day nila is Monday and Tuesday. So magre-reflect siya dito na March 2 and March 3 rest day nila. Ayan. Tapos yung iba naman natag din yung rest day. So naka-base doon yung schedule ng employee. Now, since meron na tayong mga sample na entry galing to sa production database, pwede natin i-view yung for this week. So, from 22 to 28. Ito, wala pa siyang schedule for February since ang nakalitan pa lang natin is yung sa March 1. Pero let's see sa dining. So makikita natin dito na for example si Laika Naag, meron siyang schedule for February 25, meron siyang log, and then meron din siyang log ng February 26, 9 a.m. to ano ba to? 6 p.m. 5 p.m. And then meron din siyang log ng 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. ng 27, and today nag-log in siya ng 8:51. So yun, makikita dito, makikita na dito yung mga logs nila in comparison to their schedule. Yan. So that's it for this update. Pwede nyo na ma-check yan, and let me know lang if meron kayong questions or comments.